Hey, if you are wondering if the Samsung Galaxy A07 4G support PUBG, then yes, for sure. As you can see, currently I'm actually using this graphic settings, so it's set for balanced. But of course I can increase this. So I'm gonna play for like 1 minute and I'm just gonna show you how it looks if I'm gonna increase this one. So let's go for some random items that we can find here. Some weapons. Okay. There we go. I've got actually automatic pickup, as you can see. We got some weapons, so we can go outside. Let's try to find someone. Maybe we can take someone down. But I believe there's nobody around. But as you can see, it works pretty smooth. There's no any, lags. No any screen stuck. So now let's try to increase this, graphic settings. Let's try to get better graphics. Yeah, we can try to get Ultra HD, but currently not available. Okay. Oh, there's someone. I can hear him, so I'm gonna apply those settings. Here we go. God damn it, someone's shooting me. Okay, now as you can see, we can actually find some lags. But we take this guy down. But yeah, after I just increase those settings for the high quality, then it's a little bit laggy. We can actually find some lags, but still not that bad. It's not that terrible. So yeah, that's actually basically everything for this video. I just want to show you that the PUBG Mobile is working on that smartphone. So if you want to buy this smartphone and play the PUBG Mobile, then I believe you will be satisfied, because it's pretty good device with some cool features and pretty good performance. Of course, depends on the graphic, but overall for that price, it's like really good device.